Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel and this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the traits that are required to run a successful business. So let's get started. The first thing is that you should be self-motivated if you want to run a business. There could be some motivation behind it initially, but at the end it matters how much self motivated you are, how much self motivated you will be if the current situation is not there, and if you will need to kind of modify things. And the second thing that is related to the first one is the strategy. You should continuously improve your strategy if you want to sustain your business for a longer period. So, if you have a business and you want it to be running in upcoming years and in the future, you must improve your strategies. You should develop a concrete strategy that will help you run your business in a long run, or you can say it will help you sustain your business. The third and the one of the most important thing is that you must provide value to your customers or your clients or your other clients, that could be businesses or individual clients also. So you must provide value. They will only pay you if they get value for the money. So that should be one of the main goals that you should be having. And the next thing comes is the resilience, or you can say social skills. Overall, it is the matter of the social skills, but resilience play a better role in this case. So you must need to be resilient. Like someone is kind of like blaming you or kind of doing things that you may not like at that moment, so you do not like to act in a violent manner that can kind of down your reputation and will affect your business. So you must have these social skills if you want to be an effective leader, and this is not just in the business. The social skills or the resilience are important in other industries as well. Whether you are self-employed, you are an employee, you are doing a private concert, you are a singer, you are a musician, you are an actor, you are something that requires social skills like a politician or other thing. And to be more resilient, you can watch my previous video, but let me summarize it here. So to be resilient, you if you do not know how to act, so in that situation it's better that you just do not perform any action. Second thing you can do is you can avoid the over planning. So that is the summary of the how to be more resilient. You can watch that video if you want to dig more into it. I'll leave a link to that video in the description below. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you're having a good day. Enjoy your day. Thank you.